Hello students, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to see the activity in page number 24. If only one medium is there and if two mediums are there, if both medium is there, then the page number is 47. Okay, if single medium, page number 24, or if both mediums are there, page number 47. Let's do activity. Okay, so make two dice with cardboard or wood. We have to make two dice and paste color chart paper to the faces of each dice. Write any three like fractions and three unlike fractions on faces of each dice. Okay, like fractions means what? Like fractions means the fractions having the same denominator. Okay, so here the denominator is 3 only, na? So these are like fractions. If 2 by 6, 7 by 6 and 9 by 6, these are like fractions. So we have to write 3 unlike fractions on dice and 3 unlike fractions. Okay, 3 like fractions and 3 unlike fractions. Total 6 faces are there now on the dice. So 3 like fractions and 3 unlike fractions on faces of each dice. And now in a group, each time two students throw the dice who are sitting opposite to each other. Write the come up fraction on the die in the given table and do 4 fundamental operations with those two fractions. Submit the filled table to your teacher. Okay, so now we have to throw the dice, and here 1 is given for example, right? So 2 by 3 and 5 by 3, they add, subtraction, multiplication and division we have to do. Okay, so now let us do the activity. So now I took the boxes like this. Actually I have no dice, so this is also in the shape of dice. Okay, 6 faces are there, these round 4 and 5, 6. So I wrote 3 like fractions, 2 by 3, 4 by 3 and 5 by 3, and 2 by 5, 6 by 7 and 5 by 3. Let it be 5 by 8. Okay, so this is 5 by 8. So that means 3 like fractions and 3 unlike fractions. Similarly in this die also 3 like fractions, 1 by 3, 4 by 3 and 7 by 3. These are like, and 3 unlike, 1 by 2, 7 by 8 and 8 by 6. Okay, so like this on each die I took 3 like fractions and 3 unlike fractions. Okay, so now we have to throw the dice. Okay, so from both sides we throw the dice. Now it is 4 by 3 and 1 by 3. So just note this here, on dice 1 4 by 3 and second dice 1 by 3. Now first addition we have to do, right? So 4 by 3 plus 1 by 3, these are like fractions, so denominator is also 3. 4 plus 1, that is 5 by 3. And similarly subtraction, 4 by 3 minus 1 by 3, 4 minus 1 by 3, so that is 3 by 3. Same number means that value 1. Next multiplication, 4 by 3 into 1 by 3. Multiply both numerators and denominators, 4 by 9. Now division, 4 by 3 divided by 1 by 3. So write first fraction as it is. Now in the place of division write into. Now 1 by 3 will become 3 by 1. This 3 and 3 will get cancelled. This is 4 by 1, that is equal to 4. Now again we will throw the die. So see here, this is 5 by 3 and this is 7 by 3. Okay, so now just add the values, 5 by 3 and 7 by 5 by 3, 7 by 3. So first we have to add 5 by 3 plus 7 by 3. 5 plus 7, 12, LCM 3. So don't add like this, 5 by 3 plus 7 by 3, 5 plus 7, 5 plus 7 by 3 plus 3, okay, 12 by 6, and finally the answer will be 2. So this is totally wrong, okay. You have to take the LCM for denominators, and numerators you can add. So here subtraction, 5 by 3 minus 7 by 3, that will be minus 2 by 3. And similarly multiplication, 5 sevens are 35 by 3, okay. And next 5 by 3 divided by 7 by 3. So first write first fraction as it is, and now in the place of division write into, the fraction will get reverse. So 3 and 3 will get cancelled. Now it will be 5 by 7, okay. So now again we have to throw the die, okay. See now again 5 by 3 and 7 by 3 came. So already we have calculated. So we will throw once again. Now you see 5 by 3 and this 4 by 3 came. So take this 5 by 3, 4 by 3. First addition, 5 by 3 plus 4 by 3. Here both denominators are same, so LCM 3, 5 plus 4, that is 9 by 3. 3 ones, 3 threes, so the answer will be 3, okay. And similarly subtraction, when we subtract same like addition only, just the symbols will change. 5 minus 4, that is 1 by 3. Similarly multiplication, 5 fours are 20, 3 threes are 9, okay. And division, write first fraction as it is. Now in the place of division write into, 4 by 3 will becomes 3 by 4. Now 3 and 3 will get cancelled. Now it will be 5 by 4, okay. So again now we have to throw the die, okay. See now 2 by 3 and 7 by 3, okay. But one like fraction and unlike fraction we will take. We will add one. We will add now unlike fractions. Each time we added and subtracted like fractions only, na. Now we will add unlike fractions. So on the first die 2 by 3 and it is 1 by 2. So 2 by 3 plus 1 by 2. So here in this case we have to take the LCM. LCM of 2 and 3 is 2 into 3, because there is no common factors for that. So it is 6. 3 divides 6 2 times, so 2 into 2, plus 2 divides 6 3 times, so 3 into 1. 2 2s are 4, plus 3 into 1 3 by 6. So 4 plus 3, how much? 4 plus 3, 7 by 6, okay. Similarly subtraction, 2 by 3 minus 1 by 2. Same, all this calculation is same. The symbol will be minus. So 4 minus 3 by 6, that is 1 by 6. Now multiplication, 2 by 3 into 1 by 2. So now this 2 and 2 will get cancelled, remaining 1 by 3. So now 2 by 3 divided by 1 by 2. So first write fraction, first fraction as it is. In the place of division into, 1 by 2 will becomes 2 by 1. So 2 2s are 4 and 3 3s are 1. So this will be 4 by 3, okay. So like this you can do this activity, students. I think you understand this. Please like this video and please share with your friends, and please subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching.